In the chat, what is the deal? Happy Tuesday. Welcome in. Welcome back to another New York live stream. Let's get it, man. Time to eat. It's time to eat. What's good? What up, everyone? What up, YOLO Trader? What's good? Who we got here? What up, Dennis Hood's in the house? What up, Dennis? What's good, Christian? What up, Blake? What up, DT Gamer? Stephen B. Yo. What's goody? Louis G. I see you, Louis G. That one was for you, brother. Gotta Trade's in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? Crypto Madden's here today. What up, Crypto Madden? What up, LeGrand? What's good, everybody? Welcome in. Mr. Volatility, thank you for showing up today. We want some volatility. Yeah. What up, AJ? Landon's in the building. What up, Landon? What up, Xander? What's goody? What's good, AJ? What up, PM Magnifico? All right, let's get started. Y'all ready? Yo. McNeil's in the house. What up, McNeil? What's good, everyone? Welcome in. Welcome. Grind Time Mufasa. I like that. What up, Grind Time Mufasa? What up, AB Mike? AB Mike's in the house. Grora. Level up. What up, Miko? All right, let's get started. Let me just send the Zoom link out here, and we're gonna get rolling here, chat. Zoom. All right, lovely. Well, let's get started. Hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome in. If you guys can give a like on the stream, that'd be awesome here today. I would appreciate that. But we are back. It is Tuesday, and we are ready for another session. Let me just lower the music a little bit, and we'll get rolling here. One sec. Let me know. You guys think the music's good? I think it should be pretty good at this point. Yeah. Perfect. Awesome. Hey, if you're not subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you've been enjoying the content, give the stream a like for me here. Hero of the day is in the house, so we can get started now. What up, Dominic? Music is good? All right, cool. All right, let's do it. What up, Alexandros? Zoom link is out. Everything should be good. Let me move my chat over here. And yeah, I think we're good to go. Hope you guys are doing good. Where you guys at on your push-ups today? Don't let me outwork you, G. Don't let me outwork you today. We good? All right, yeah, let's get started. Yeah, let's pray real quick, and then we'll get going. So, Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day, Lord. Let us rejoice in it, Lord. We ask that you go with us and go before us today, Lord. I ask that you bless our people here, bless the words that flow from my mouth, and bless our trades, Lord. We thank you. We give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen's in the chat. Happy New Year, everyone who wasn't here yesterday. Welcome in. Good to see you all. I know everyone was like, oh, when's he streaming? But, if you paid attention, you would have known it was on the 8th, man. All right, let's get started here. I think we're good to go on my end. Yes. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. All right, cool. Welcome in. All right, so let's get started. It is a new day. It is a new opportunity. Today is the 9th of January. So 9th day of January. It is Tuesday. It is another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, for us to be professional, and for us to do what we do best here, and that's waiting for the highest probability setups and executing when they come. So we'll see if we get some high probability setups today, and if we do, we will execute. So let's go ahead and take a look at the news real quick and see what we got in the in store for us today. We did go over the news yesterday. I don't believe we have much. Yeah, so we're pretty clear here today, gang. We've got pretty clean for 8:30, pretty clean for 9:30. Should just be business as usual here today. And then later on in the week, we've got some more news, but we've already covered that yesterday. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts and see what we got. Yeah, let's see what we got going on here. 60 push-ups already. Let's go, YOLO. Hey, YOLO. 50 done. All right. Let's go. Let's go. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and talk about gold here. We got the 1 minute chart up here today in case we do get desperate and we need our dopamine hits. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know why that's still up there, but it's up there. But let's go ahead and stick to what we do best here and do a top-down analysis. So taking a look at the weekly time frame here, right? So we are pretty bearish here based off of the weekly closure last week, right? So if you guys notice right here, this candle had closed bearish, and I know some of you guys are new and maybe you're used to looking at the charts like I used to, right? Like kind of just zoomed out like this, and you know, overall, you know, you may say, why is he saying the weekly's bearish when we're bullish? Well, I understand that, right? I understand that. I understand what's going on here, but everything changed for me in my trading when I began to zoom in and study candles. So let's go ahead and study these candles real quick and talk our way through it here. So what do we notice here? So obviously we are moving up, right? You have a support, right? Price is beginning to move up, and now it looks like we are beginning to range, right? So you have this range in between this support level here and this resistance, and that's basically our weekly range, right? That's the range that we're currently trading in. Shout out to all the ladies. We'll make it the pink range here today. So this is what we're trading in, and we're trying to see if we can get a breakout, right? So you have these all-time highs here at this wick fill that price may look to do, right? If you guys check out the monthly, we are bullish based off the monthly chart and the previous monthly candle here. So at any point we can continue moving up, break this high, and fill that wick. Now, when will that happen? I believe you're going to need a closure, right? You're going to need some sort of a closure on the weekly time frame in order to say, okay, we can go ahead and fill that wick now. So if and when that happens, we'll be prepared for it. But currently, we are pretty bearish based off of this resistance that has been formed and based off of this previous candle closure that we see right here. Now, that's what we got going on here for the previous daily. Now let's take a look, or the previous weekly. Let's take a look at the current weekly candle. So current weekly candle opened up 2 days ago, right? Or what's today? Today's Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday. So this candle opened up yesterday, right? And what can we see here? Well, candle right out the gate broke the lows, right? So we came out, we broke the lows right away. We have not established the top wick just yet though, right? So as we know, 80 to 85% of candles will have top and bottom wicks. Currently, this candle has no top wick on it. So can we anticipate that? Potentially, right? Potentially. Will it come today? We don't know, right? We're going to have to take a look. All we do know is that the lower time frames will give us more clues on which way price is looking to go. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily and see where we can play the game here today. So taking a look at the daily, we did close bearish here yesterday. So as you guys can see, we kind of came up, right? Let me make it white. Came up, right? Created resistance, created support. We kind of, you know, messed around here, but then ultimately came back up, and price had come down and basically retested that support level, drove up a little bit more, and then came down and retested this support level, right? So a little bit confusing with all the arrows, but that's the way market structure is looking. So one thing I could say is that we do have a support level right here. If we drag it to the left a little bit, you'll also see it matches up perfectly with the resistance, the support over there to the left, right? You got support, and then we have a wick, right, that came into this zone. So will we reject, or will we flip bearish here today to continue driving down to fill this wick and then potentially even all this clean traffic towards 1980? So looks like we got a lot of range up and down here today. We're going to be open for buys and sells, right, depending on where candles close on the 1 hour 30-minute time frame. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour, and then we could drop down to the 1 hour 30 and see where we could potentially scout some opportunities here today. So as you guys can see, the 4 hour candles have been moving up quite a bit. This was where we left off yesterday, right? Candle actually ended up running up pretty solid here, right? So we've come up. Now, if we've come up, we kind of do need some sort of right, before we can continue going up. So there is a potential that this 4 hour candle does close bearish. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour and the 30-minute here. So as you can see, we're consolidating, right? So let's stretch this out a little bit so we can actually see what is going on here. So we're consolidating, right? So we can say, okay, well, we have a support, right? We have a support right here at 2032. We also have a resistance right here at 2036. Now, there's a lot of wicks up and down here, right? A lot of fake outs, a lot of wicks going on, a lot of consolidation. One thing we know about a lot of consolidation is when you do get a breakout, you should see a drive, right? Either direction, you should see price begin to move. Let's go ahead and see what these wicks represent here on the 30-minute time frame, and then we'll see if we have to adjust our zones here. So yeah, right here. So you got a resistance here, right? We got to adjust this support. So we are bearish on the day, right? So we needed to wait for some sort of range 2 buys. So if you guys had buys above here from yesterday or even during London, you shouldn't have taken them, right? You should be waiting for that range 2. Otherwise, you may deal with this type of stuff, bunch of fake outs and all that within the range here. So I think if we can get a new closure now, right, a new closure above 2036, then there may be an opportunity for us to go long here. There's a really clean range to the left. It's about 100 pips. So that's the range I'm going to be looking to trade in today if I'm looking to take buys. So let's go ahead and mark this up. There's also no top wick on this candle. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, no top wick on that 4-hour candle there. So there may be a move up to create a top wick, but we'll just have to see, right? We are bearish on the day, so if we do start to see some sort of rejections from this 36 level and then a closure below 32, I think the daily candle will be ready to run down here, right? To at least come down and flip to create a bottom wick on the candle. We don't know if it wants to drive or not, but we do know that we could say, hey, you know, it could potentially come down and make that bottom wick. So that's what we're going to be looking for here. This is off the 1-hour time frame. Let's go ahead and look at the 30 one more time. 30-minute has a new resistance here, right? So we got to adjust this a little bit, and then obviously this resistance right here. So we're going to move this support to where we've created support now, and I will look to take my sells below 34 here today. So sells are going to be pretty clean below 34, and buys are going to be pretty clean above 38. We already have our second range formed, so if we do get a closure above 37 or 38, whatever this is, 37,950, then we should be good to continue driving up and clean house here. So that's going to be what I'm looking at here today on gold. There also is more sells below 31 here if you don't feel comfortable in this range, depending on how our closures look and when they happen. That's when I'll decide whether or not we're going to actually, or whether or not I'm going to trade in this range or not. But yeah, that's what I'm going to have up here for the day at this point. Things may change as we move into the session, but ultimately the daily target today is going to be somewhere down like towards like 2018, 2020, somewhere in these ranges here. So we'll see how things pan out over the course of the next 30 minutes or so, and let's see what we got. So this range is a bit choppy on the 15, so we would really need some sort of a 1-hour closure below and volume to come in with the session open for us to even think about trading in this range here. So that's how I'm going to leave it at for now. We also have more clean sells below 31, so that's going to be the play here for me today. That's going to be what I'm looking at here on gold, and if things change, you know, we'll update it. So that's the vibe here today, ladies and gents. That is the vibe. Boom. Perfect. Let me clone it one more time, and yeah. So that's it. Now we wait. Now we wait, players. Yes, sir. Cool. Any questions, comments, concerns before we move on? Nice clean range here, man. Yeah, we re-break that daily high and that 4-hour high again. You should see a push, right? Remember, this candle's still no top wick. So what I'll look for is I will look to probably secure partials right around that area and then let the rest of it run. Cool. Awesome. All right, let's move on here then. We got 23 minutes and 18 seconds left for the NY Open. So we'll do a quick breakdown on pound yen and a quick breakdown on Nas100, and yeah. So taking a look at the at pound yen here. So we did close bullish yesterday. We did close above all this, or last week, I'm sorry. We did close above all this, right? We had a support here. We also had another level right here, and also, to be honest, another level right there. And we did close above that. We do have clean traffic movement up for the week. So if we do break these highs, there should be a push this week, and we should begin to fill that range. Also create a top wick on this weekly candle here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did close bearish, right? Excuse me, but where did the bearish candle close? Where did it close, chat? Right, we closed bearish, but if you notice, we closed above this zone here, right? So as long as the low respects the previous low and doesn't drive down hard and begin to push, then at any point we break these highs, we should begin to move up here today. So you do have a daily celery play going on right now. Now we just got to see if this low will actually hold, right? We came down to it. We may have like nipped it, but we're rejecting, moving back up. So we'll see what happens. You know, we got plenty of time left on this daily candle here, but overall we are, you know, pretty bullish based off of the day here. So, and when I say pretty bullish, I mean because of that candle closure, right? Some of you guys may think, why are we bullish? The previous candle closed bearish. Just keep in mind where it closed here, right? So we are going to be open for sells as we break these lows, and we're also open for buys here if we do break the highs. So let's go ahead and see what all this looks like on the 4-hour chart, so we can see what we got ahead of us today. So clear support right here and resistance right here, and you're just chopping around the 4-hour chart here. This should be good on the 1 hour as well. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me see something. Let's adjust that a little bit. Let's go ahead, look left. Looks good, looks good. Yeah. Yeah, I think GJ is pretty simple here today. Yeah. Daily lows or daily highs, that's the day, to be honest. You break these lows, get a closure below. We should be good to move down. Same thing if you break the highs. So pretty simple on GJ today. I'm probably just going to stay out of this range here. And, you know, just look to trade below here or above here. So let's go back and just, yeah, mark that off. This will be the target here for any shorts that we take. And then in terms of buys, we will look to target these areas right up here at like 185. And then, you know, you obviously have like some mess going on right here. And that'll be the target here today. So, yeah, we'll see if we could break the highs and close above, or break the lows and close below. And then you should have some opportunity here on pound yen. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I want to trade in this. Wow, that's a 45 pip range, huh? Yeah, as of right now, I'm going to leave it. We'll see what happens when volume comes in. But as of right now, I think I'm going to leave things the way they are. Let me just do something here. All right, cool. All right, yeah, that's it. GJ's pretty simple here today. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the NASDAQ, and then we can chill. So Nas100, beautiful buys here yesterday. Damn. Sheesh. Rocket ship. But anyway, so we did close bearish on the weekly. We did create that top wick here. So if we do begin to break those lows, you should see a move down. Taking a look at the daily, though, we did close bullish, right? We closed bullish. Let's stretch this out, zoom in a little bit. We did close above this range here. So being that we closed above, you have clean traffic coming up to the left. All we're doing right now is potentially making a bottom wick for the daily for us to continue moving up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour. If we can get support on the 4-hour, that would be great. If the 4-hour can close back above, that would be awesome. You also notice that there's no top wick on this 4-hour candle as well. And this is why we don't enter positions with no top wicks, right? Because they tend to move down on like anywhere, right? It can move down here and come back up here. In this case, we just happen to move all the way down here, and we may pull back up. So if we do create support or close back above, then I think there's some possibilities. Let's see if there's any ranges here for us to play on the lower time frames here. So support has been formed on the 30. You also have some tricky spot right here, right? So we'll see if we can get a closure above in 18 minutes at NY Open. If not, we may range and wait for the 4-hour candle to close, and then look to strike Nas100 here at 9:15, 9:30 today. So just gonna leave things like that on NASDAQ for now, and then we'll revisit this in just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, this most likely gonna end up ranging on the 15 for a little bit until the 4-hour close. So we'll keep an eye on NASDAQ. Gold is in the horizon here for me, but yeah, we'll see what we got going on everything else. So that's it. That's it, man. Yeah, the 15 AB Mike. Yeah, it looks good. I think I want to see a close above here though. Yeah, above there. What is that? 16575. Yeah. Yep. Yo, what up, Foster? How you doing? What up, Christian? What's good? What's good? Good morning. Hey, what up, Supra? You're not late. You're right on time. You're right on time. So as you guys know, gold is my main pair, so gold will take priority over these other pairs. But yeah, these are still here for us, and they will bring opportunity. So we'll see if GJ wants to change its act up here in 2024. But 2023 wasn't the greatest year on pound yen. Just a straight bull run, man. Straight bull run. Yeah, GJ's not bad. Are we? Yeah, we're pretty. I guess we're bullish, right? Based off of the closure, like we talked about. 4-hour looks good. Kind of got a 4-hour pack runner here, so we'll see what happens. You know, if you do get a closure above this zone here at 9:30, I mean 8 a.m., 8:30, there may be something here, but 29, 30 pips, not a bad range for pound yen. So we'll look into it. If we end up getting that closure. Yeah, if we do break these lows though, this daily candle should drive, right? Below that is super clean. Nice clean range here, so we'll see. Let it range, let it range. What up, Classic Trader? What's good? Ali Reza in the house. What up, Ali Reza? How y'all doing today? Everyone doing good? Everyone feeling good? I don't think we'll have a move now. Yeah. Nas100 gets very, very interesting after the 4-hour close. Obviously, right? That's when the markets really open up here in New York. So that's when you're going to have the most volume. Yeah. Hello, people. Hey, what up, fun lover? Fun lover. What's good? Forex Frank in the house. What up, Forex Frank? Good to see you. Forex Frank, you're in Tampa, right? We're doing a traders meetup. It seems to be getting bigger and bigger as the day goes on, man. I thought this was gonna be like a 20-person meetup, and yeah, it's seeming to get bigger and bigger. Got a bunch of some owners, some prop firms pulling up, and all that stuff. So. Yeah, if you guys are in Florida or really in the Tampa, like St. Pete, Clearwater, Sarasota area, let me know. We're doing a traders meetup this Sunday on the 14th. Austin Silver, ASFX are going to be hosting the meetup. I'll be there. There's also going to be a ton of other traders there too, so it should be pretty fun. Should be pretty fun. We may do our own thing too. For those that are a part of the TTE family, we may do our own thing too. Maybe grab some cigars and hang out for a little bit at the lounge. I don't know. Maybe we'll put something together. About to be a snowstorm, Stephen B. Better get them shovels ready. You need 2 shovels, Stephen B. One for the snow and one for when you go to the bank. Gonna have to shovel all. I hope you got a shovel and a wheelbarrow, brother. Some crazy weather here though. Yeah. Yo, it's been cold. Oh, nice, Landon. All right, cool, man. Yeah, if you pull up, I'll look forward to seeing you. Oh, TT Bootcamp. Yeah, the Bootcamp, gang, the link to the Bootcamp is open. So if you guys are planning on coming to the Bootcamp, we'll keep that open for, we got about a month. So that'll be open for a month. If you want, you can secure your spot now. If not, you have plenty of time. Your view on gold? We already broke down gold here. So just run it back just a little bit. You'll see it. Gotta fly out to Tampa. Hey, let's go. Hey, bro, it's gonna be 80 degrees here today. Sorry, Green. All my people from Toronto and up northeast. Sorry. Can we do push-ups at the bar? Yeah, I will. You guys know I'll be having some Mountain Valley water. I don't really do all that. Good morning. Starting my prop challenge today. Just nervous? Good. You know, nervous is good. You know, nervous means that you care. Nervous means that you want to perform well. So there's nothing wrong with nerves. Just, you know, you got to understand how to get them under control. And yeah, you'll be doing good. Nas100 possible sells? Ooh. No, not yet. Negative 27. Hey, yo, you need to move, bro. You need to move, dude. No one should ever live in negative 27. It's freezing. Flying in, Ubering to the meetup, then Ubering to the train station, St. Pete, back to Orlando. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, it could be a good ride. You know, you need to travel, gang. Like, we like to call them data sets. You know, when you, and I'm going to be doing a lot of videos. They're going to be like 4 or 5 minute videos on data sets. And what we mean by data set is a new set of data, right? A new set of information. And a lot of times you'll get these new data sets by traveling, right? And going on these spontaneous trips like Landon's talking about doing, and meeting different people, having different conversations than what you're normally used to having. So anytime I ever did things like that, Landon, I always learned from it. I always grew from it, and it always gave me a new data set to just make me a little bit better, right? A little slight edge better. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you, bro. Your on-screen time is incorrect. I don't even know what that means. Ring light off. Oh yeah, yeah. Let me put the ring light on. 1 sec. All right. Can you see me now? Can you see me now? In 15 minutes, where's gold going? My brother, if I knew, I'd be in on the position already. Hold on 1 sec. Love you, brother. Hey, love you, man. Your screen time is incorrect. Yeah, what is that? What do you mean? Screen time. Screen time? I'm not sure what that means. What up, everyone in Zoom? Johnny Boy's in the house. What's up, all my people in Zoom? How y'all doing today? Good to see you guys. I'm sorry I didn't really pay any attention to you guys yesterday, but it's good to see you all back. Hope you guys are doing well. I don't think everyone knows we're back. Breathe air. What's good? Let's get Johnny Boy up here. Oh, wait. Sorry, John. Turn your, my bad. Turn your video back on. Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go, bro? Where'd you go? I'll make him co-host. My bad. Bro got lost. He's lost in Zoom. All right, there he is. Johnny Boy.
Yo, yo.
How you doing?
How you doing? What up, brother?
How you doing?
What's good?
Good. My belly's full from the meal.
Yo, bro, same.
It was TTE last night.
It was, bro. We ate pretty good last night.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling absolutely amazing, brother. Ready to win. How are you feeling?
Blessed and highly favored. 100 push-ups deep.
Let's get it, dog.
Yeah.
Let's get it. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah,
the little wins, bro. Right?
Yeah, little W stacked. Day in,
yeah.
day out. By the hour.
100%, bro.
Yeah, I think most people don't understand how much it could actually get done by just doing little things. I feel like everyone thinks in order to be successful, in order to be fit, in order to have six-pack abs or healthy, like they think that there has to be this big like thing that goes down, and it's really just a little tiny insignificant actions day in and day out. Like all we could do is win the day.
Dude, 100%. And that's what the compound effect literally talks about, is stacking up little wins. And that's where you about just getting 1% better today, right?
Yeah,
not 100%, right? We're trying to do quality over quantity, right? And all things, right? So yeah, little wins, bro. Eating clean, exercising, reading books, right?
Yup.
Little things.
Yup. Some of you guys want to save money, right? Saving money. Well, you know, there's so many little things you can do. They're so little that you think, you know, if I do that, it won't make a big deal. But try making your own coffee, you know, like instead of going and buy some stupid coffee from Starbucks every day. Like, and this is only if you're struggling financially trying to save money, right? I'm just trying to say it's the little things, like not getting the coffee, right? Spending a little bit more money up front to get a coffee maker and just chilling, right? Making your own coffee, or, you know, instead of going out to eat 5 nights a week, only go out to eat 1 night a week, right? Things like that. It's just like, it's so, it could be so deceiving and fool so many people because it's just the little things. Like, it's the small, insignificant things that don't seem like they're making a difference at the time you're doing them. But in the long run, you look back and they make all the difference. It's crazy.
100%.
It's crazy. There's no secret.
Dude, 100%. Just like making your bed. Like, people don't even know how important it is to make your bed. Like, making your bed, you're saying you're going to do something and then doing it. You know, that's proving yourself that you can do that with anything, right? So saying that you're going to make your bed and then doing it is like the same thing saying you're going to get a funded account and doing it, right? So
yeah, man. Yep.
Get it. Yeah, bro. But I'm looking for the same thing on your charts as well.
Nice.
Let's see if we can get it. Let's go.
Yeah. Yep.
Morning chat. Morning everyone in Zoom. Another day to be patient and disciplined to our plan. Let's get it. Free there.
Get pre-workout? Yeah, best pre-workout, man. I used to take all that bulked up and bucked up and whatever the heck it is. And honestly, I'd be yawning at the gym when I take that sometimes. And then I started to look into, because some of you guys know I've been doing a lot of biohacking. So I'm just beginning my journey with biohacking. I've been doing it for about a year, but I'm really looking to like intensify it, you know? And so my new pre-workout is a spoonful of Celtic sea salt and raw honey. Bro, stop playing. Yo,
For real, bro.
gang, chat, don't say I never put you on with anything. Don't try it, my friends. Try it. The salt could be a bit tough in the beginning. You might have to chase it with something like, but oh man, what a workout.
Oh, yeah, bro. Keep you hydrated.
Yeah. Foster says, starting your day with a win. If you can stack wins early in the morning, everyone asks, yo, why do you wake up so early? To stack wins, bro. To stack wins, man. That way I can get rolling and get off to a good start. Because if you can take care of your morning, right? You can take care of your mindset in the morning, and anything you deal with throughout the day, you will filter it through that mindset that you begin the day with, right? Taking some wins. So now when you have to put out a fire during the day, you seem to be a little bit more cool, composed, right? Relaxed and logical about your decision making and about the words you say and how you talk to people, right? So especially, I know a lot of people on here are business owners, right? Running a business could be very frustrating, very difficult, dealing with people, all this. That's why I'm like shutting the signals down, right? Because we'll take like 10 wins and then we'll take a loss and you got people complaining, right? I don't even want to deal with it, right? So when you begin your morning early, right, and you stack those wins, as you move through the day, not much can really touch you at that point. Yeah, not much can touch you.
You want to own the day, you got to own the morning first. That's the start of the day.
Biohacking, yeah. Got my ice bath coming. Ordered an ice bath, so that should be here.
Real.
Cold plunge.
Y'all, if y'all want longevity, if you and your family want longevity, you guys better get in the game with biohacking. Better start getting in the game. Back your age, man. You can reverse your age.
Yeah, as you guys know, I like to watch a lot of, or listen to Gary Brecka a lot. Gary Brecka's been amazing. Yeah, I'm looking to take it to the next level.
Oh yeah, just growing. That's it.
Yeah, salt and honey, brother. Yeah, I tried it and man, I was feeling great. So I just keep doing it now.
It's like a good shock, you know, like with the salt water.
Yeah.
In a sort of way.
All right, look at this. NY Open closed with no top wick here. So nothing for us on the open. Let's take a look at Nas. Nas did close above here. So we did close above for NY Open. And do we have a bottom wick? Not really bottom wick on the 15. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stops here on the 30. About 24 pip stops. See what the 1 hour is looking like. Yeah, 1 hour created support. If we get a bottom wick here, there may be an opportunity here for us on NASDAQ. And then GJ is still in the range here. Let's do this. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you guys can also join the free Discord. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Yeah, this is nice. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, I'm gonna have set some buy stops here on Nas. Let's take a look. I just want to see the 4 hour real quick. Oh yeah, the 4 hour is very, very bullish, but I'm very bearish. But the 1 hour and the 30 both closed pretty nice bullish here. So yeah, we did close above the range as well. Yeah, not bad. I'm here in the US. Hard to find. Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, you gotta use unregulated broker.
Hey, bro, we're gonna have to do futures or run up a funded account.
Yeah. Can you explain a short part of candlesticks? Like a description of them, you mean? Candlesticks and wicks? Yeah, I mean every candlestick is, not everyone, but your typical candle, your typical bearish candle will look like this, right? It'll have a body, it'll have a top wick and a bottom wick. That's a pretty good candle, right? So you want to see things like that. You don't want to just see like a weak one, you know, like this, or you don't want to see one with no top wick and just a bottom wick, or one with just a top wick and no bottom wick, right? These are all sketchy candles here, right? All these candles to the left or to the right are all sketchy, right? This is going to be your ideal candle that you're looking for. The wick is basically a liquidity grab to move up, and in this case to move down, to grab some volume to move back up. And if a candle closes with no bottom wick, or like you see here, no bottom wick, then there's typically a 50-50 chance the next candle will continue driving. What else you want to know? Yeah, candlesticks are pretty amazing, man. If you study candles, you can really get a good read on where price wants to go. Now, can you avoid every fake out? No, you know, it's going to be tough, but you can get a good read on candles and be able to, you know, communicate with them, right? Understand what they're saying. So, all right, we did create a bottom wick on the 15 there, so that's lovely. So if we do end up breaking that high, then you should see a move up. 1 hour closed above, 30-minute closed above, 15 grabbing a pack. So we'll see what happens. If we continue to drive lower and break these lows, then I'll probably just delete. Just trade futures. Yeah, just trade futures if you guys can't really find a good broker to trade with, then just trade futures.
That would probably be your best bet.
Yeah. Yeah, so as long as we respect the low here on the 30, then this can flip bullish and continue running up here. So we'll see if we respect this low, and if we do, we'll hold on to it and see if we can get a move up here today on NASDAQ. If it begins to get too sketchy and all that, then we'll wait for 9:30 or 9:15-ish. Exact trading style with Nas this year? Yeah, for the most part. For the most part, I do like later on in the day. We do have obviously volume with NY open, but I do like 9:30 after 9 a.m. So after the 4-hour closure tends to be a good one, right? But if we're anticipating the potential for this, so we're bullish, right? Based off of the daily, right? And then over here on the 4-hour, you have this level right here. Let's hold on one sec. Right, this area right here. So if we can reject that zone, right, and being that the 30-minute and the 1 hour have both created a support, right, and if we reject this zone, right, anticipating that we do come up to create a top wick on this candle, potentially even close bullish, right, for price to continue driving up based off the daily time frame, then our sells or our buys from this support should be pretty valid, as we should see price continue moving up. So we need to respect that 30 low though. That's the main thing. We're creeping on it. We're creeping. First trade on Nas. Yeah. Oh yeah, first buy stop here.
Yeah, facts.
Right. We tried to get a buy stop in yesterday, but damn, price moved quick. Stock market open at 9:30. It does. Yeah, it does. Nas100 is not on my broker. Go to so on my broker it says NDX 100. NDX 100. It may say something completely different on your broker. Yeah, I believe Nas has a few different
symbols.
Yeah. Yeah, so for this trade, this is where the break even's gonna be. And then partials will be somewhere up here. Yeah, somewhere where that 4-hour wick is. I think it was, or this one. Yeah, this guy right here. So that's what it'll look like. Partials here, and then secure some profits up there, or break even here, and then profits up there. Yeah, a couple things you want to really make sure you got you're aware of before taking a trade, right? Number one, your setup and entry has to be there. Number two, you need to understand, hey, what am I risking, right? Where's my stop loss going to be, and how much am I risking? Number three is where am I going to take the risk off the table, right? And you have to identify that, right? As if price moves for you and against you. Right, so where do I take risk off the table? Where do I move stops to break even? And then where do I close partials? And then where is my full target, right? These are all things that have to be checked off before ever entering the trade, right? You have to have a good understanding on this. Otherwise, you're in a trade, right? And now you're wondering, what do I do? You know, I hear a lot, most people, they understand the setups in the playbook now, but they just don't understand how to manage the position properly, right? So we're going to talk a lot about that this year. Our whole purpose in terms of the growth that we're looking to accomplish this year is within the management of the trade, right? And holding winners a little bit longer, right, to full destination, full targets, clipping losers early, right, and understanding the management side of the position before ever entering it. That way we were prepared to keep our losses small and our winners big. Same lot size. I'm just gonna do risk percentage. So what lot did I open up here? Looks like I opened up a 30 lot here. So yeah, pretty much risk percentage on NASDAQ, on everything now. Yeah, if you guys want, you can also go like a little bit lower on your risk if you're new to trading this pair. You know, there's nothing wrong with going a little bit lower on your risk and your lot size as you're warming up to this pair.
Oh, yeah,
100%. Moving up. Gold looks like gold's trying to break below, but the 15-minute is really stopping the price here. You see it? It's nasty here on the 15. So yeah. Good morning, Pablo, my man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Oh.
Oh, what up, Michael Cook? What's goody? What's goody? How you been, man? Are you sure about the lots on NASDAQ? Let's see. Yeah, looks like it'll risk 2%, so it looks like it should be straight.
Hey, let's see.
That's my tester run anyway. Am I satisfied with ACAP with GJ? Not really. Not really.
Could be better.
Yeah, it could be better. ASFX in the house. What up, Austin? How you doing, brother? Good to see you here, my man. See you this weekend. Yeah, I'll see you this weekend, bro. Yeah.
Hey, what up?
Got some friends from TTE pulling up too.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Oh yeah. GJ on the move. Why are you doing a new boot camp only 3 months after? Yeah, that's when everyone wanted to do it. So everyone was highly anticipating the next boot camp. A lot of people couldn't make the first one. Plus, we've also got a lot of great new ideas and concepts that I want to go over too. And we'll talk a little bit about that on the stream, and you'll see the performance of it. But yeah, that's what we set to do in whenever that was. GJ getting volume? Yeah, GJ getting some volume here. Sheesh. 15-minute candle's gonna close.
You're making
here.
a comeback in 2024.
GJ's making a comeback. GJ's not leaving.
Hey, leaving.
Let's see how the 15's gonna close here. So we should close above support here. Ready for the first all-in? Oh, let's go all-in, baby. The answer is why not make another boot camp? Yeah, we've had a lot of success from that first boot camp, man. That was the first one we ever did, so very, very happy with a lot of the results that people got. Like right after that, there was like 10 challenges passed, so it seems like a lot of people got it. You know, we were very straightforward in the boot camp. We were a little bit more intimate, I would say. And a little bit more personal, but those that were there know, right? They know what they got to do, and that's all we care about. Is if people can come into that setting and listen and hear something that they may not have heard on the live stream, or something that's more direct to them, then that's all we ask for, right? That's all we want to see, is people succeeding off of the information that we're given. Bootcamp crazy. I got funded a few weeks later. Yeah, shout out to Louis G.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, if you took it serious.
Yeah, and anyone who couldn't get it on the first one, now's a new opportunity. Hop on it.
Yeah.
Invest in yourself.
Yeah, gold's confused here. So a lot of chopping around here on the 15. So nothing for us just yet. We will see where and when we can get some sort of a breakout.
Gold will figure it out.
Have I set a pending order? Yeah, I have buy stops on NASDAQ. $14 pip spread. That's that should be 1.4 pips.
First buy stop place 2024.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's right. For the live stream, yep.
The live stream, wowzer.
Wowzers. see if we break that low there. If we break that low, we'll probably delete. That is the breaking the 30-minute low again. Your trading view buy stop is at 1558. Yeah. Yeah, that's why we have the MT5 up there for you guys too. So don't pay attention to this. This isn't exact numbers. It's just, you know, telling you I have buy stops not activated yet on the break of the previous candle highs. Yeah, that's why we put that there. All right, yeah, I'm gonna delete this, and then we'll revisit NASDAQ here at on the 4-hour open. Yeah, so I'm gonna delete that buy stop, gang. Yeah, we're still holding.
May want to close up.
Yeah, we'll see how the candle closes. We're still holding that 30 low, which is good, but 15 lows are breaking and all that stuff. So you may first TTD.
TTD first TTD. Yo, man, it was absolutely beautiful this morning. Were you out at all?
Yeah, I went for a walk. It was very nice out today. It's gonna be really nice out today too.
All right, word. Maybe we can do something, bro. At warm wind. I love like the Florida morning wind. It's like nice and warm.
It is.
Don't know how to explain it.
It feels good.
Hella good.
26 right now. Ooh, Travis said it's 26 degrees right now in PA. Holy.
Damn, bro. I don't miss that. Travis, you probably got some snow too, right? Sure.
Georgia getting blown away. Damn. Should we track as many positions as we deleted? You can, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. We should put another. We should put another spot there. W, L, B, E, and TTD.
What deleted?
TTD.
Oh damn! 1 foot of snow, Travis. Sheesh.
Holy.
Holy, you were shoveling probably like the whole day. No, I'm kidding.
It's 75 degrees in Santiago. Let's go.
That's one thing I don't miss about living in a cold state is shoveling the snow.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, 30 in Phoenix. Oh wow. Hey, I'm gonna be planning a trip to Arizona pretty soon. Yeah. Got one spot filled for the canceled pending. There you go. Is Nas a lot less choppy, less fake outs than GJ? Yeah, NASDAQ is really nice after like 9:30. Yeah, we'll see. We may have a 30-minute celery too, so we'll keep an eye on this. GJ closing up here in 30 minutes as well. I mean, 8 minutes as well. 4 hour looking ready.
Thanks, y'all.
Yeah, we do have somewhat of a daily celery going on pound yen too here, so.
Damn, Dominic, honestly, I don't know. Maybe Florida. First trip, like, into the U.S. I'm not sure where to go.
Pull up.
I'd say Florida, dog.
Global warming. Life hack, man. Move somewhere warm.
Hell yeah.
The never-ending summer.
And travel. You gotta travel. You gotta be side here. A lot of like benefits come from traveling, y'all. You get to see new life, you know, new things, and you see the beauty of God as well.
Facts. Someone asked if we listen to Luke, and yeah, man, we've been getting a lot of mentorship from Luke, so we listen to Luke a lot.
Luke's a G.
Top G.
Stopped you.
The playbook setups typically are done on the 30-minute time frame. Has up. Oh, nice. You're in Arizona? Yeah, we're coming to Arizona soon.
Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, for any new traders out there, like just starting up and just like learning and get familiar with like what we're talking about, the playbook is everything. And that's why we're profitable, because of those, right? Because we patiently wait on those setups. So like if you're new, make sure you study what we're talking about on the playbook, study the setups. Familiar. That's everything for us.
New York meetup? Ooh, John, what do you think? Maybe in the summertime.
It would have to be the summer.
Luke the G, hell yeah. Luke and Mr. Belt, yeah, they're all awesome.
Yeah, Luke and Nate, love them both.
How many pips you secured in 2023? I think we secured over like 3,000 pips. Yeah, someone did the math, man. Someone did some intense investigation. Someone did some intense investigation on our trades this year, and it came out to where we secured like, I forget what they said. It was either 3 or 4,000. I think it was 3,000.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
By any chance,
yeah.
when do you think you're going to start the Bible studies again? Yeah, those are going to go down soon. Right now, the Lord has really called me. For some reason, I just feel this pull, right, to study the life of Solomon. So right now, I'm doing some studies, really studying Solomon, man, and you know, the work that the Lord did and his obedience to the Lord and all that, and the wisdom that he gave the Lord, right, or that the Lord gave him. So pretty soon. And those are actually going to start taking place on Sundays as well. So that way, a lot of others can view it, because I remember when we were doing them on Monday nights, unfortunately a lot of people in, you know, the other side of the world weren't able to tap in. So we're gonna try and make it available for everyone, and yeah, it's gonna be great.
Go.
Remember, we got Forex Summit this year. Hey, who remembers us talking about we'll be not only at the summit, but on the stage of the summit. So if it goes down, you already know. We've been speaking that one into existence since February last year. When we were a nobody, they were all overlooking us, man. Oh yeah, look, breaking the lows again here. So it looks like we're breaking the 30 lows now. So yeah, gold's actually looking pretty good here. We got 4 minutes for the candle to close. Yeah, 4 hours moving bearish. Daily's getting ready to move down, it looks like. 1 hour is driving through all this consolidation here. I really wanted to see us drive through all this BS here on the 15. So if we can do that, right, there's nice clean range here on the 30. Nikola Tesla, how you doing? chill.
Facts, honestly, I would much rather prefer 31, below the 31 range instead of 35.
Ditto.
Both good, but rather 31.
Yeah, very rangy.
Let's get a gold.
Very rangy above 31 here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's possible sell. I think we're gonna wait here for the 4 hour closure here. We got 30 minutes on NASDAQ, but gold's kind of priming up here. Yo, what up, James Bruce? My man, how you doing, brother? Good to see you here. Good to see the ASFX crew in the house.
What's up, James?
James, are you gonna fly in from South Africa or what, man? You gonna come to the meetup?
Hope, man.
It'll be worth it. That's a flight. That is a flight.
What's that? London, right? London to Florida. Eesh.
Yeah, right now I'm in a study of the Song of Songs, right? Or the Song of Solomon. It's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. I've actually never dove too deep into that book, so it's been pretty cool. Yeah, just finished up like my second, like it was like a 50-hour study in the book of Acts, man. Just incredible. Yes, sir. Love your work. Oh, hey, love your work too, James. Wait, you are coming in for the meetup? Hey, if you come in for the meetup, that'll be lit.
Yeah, James, shout out the knowledge you've dropped, brother. I've heard a lot of good stuff from you.
Yeah, James,
and I thank you for it.
I'm from South Africa as well. Hey, we'll get on the flight with James and pull up this weekend.
Let's get it.
Oh, a lot of people from South Africa here. Awesome.
Yo, chat. Anyone in chat pulling up to that?
What'd you say? You broke up.
Let me know. I said, anyone from chat pulling up to that? Let me know.
Pull up, pull up. Let's see. Rise up, South Africans. Hey, let's go. Nick, can you read my message before Nightbot times me out for spamming? All right, we'll give Nightbot, let's give Mustajab a pass. I didn't see the question, brother, so if you can resend it, that'd be awesome.
Let's get it, Dan. Sounds good, bro.
Dan the man. Resend. All right, here it is. I was stuck in sells on gold after gold gave fake out on 30-minute. My stop loss was 2038-ish. 2038-ish. Never got triggered, and right now I closed at 10 pips profit. Oh, you were in a sell. Were you in a sell? Yeah, stuck in sells on gold. Thanks for the psychology. Love you. Hey, love you too, man. That's good. So you out. Yeah, I probably would have closed partials here just in case we didn't close below, which we didn't. So if we didn't close below here, you may range now. So we kind of were ranging up here. All right, and now we may begin to range right here for a little bit. And then once we get below, you should have a nice clean move down. Got clean traffic to the left. We end up breaking below here. Then you got more clean candles coming down. So we are bearish too. This is the, right here, this whole move here is the previous daily wick fill. So that's what we're trying to take advantage of today if possible. All right, this wick fill right here. So we're anticipating that this has the potential to flip bearish and begin to drive down to retest those support levels there. So. And then if we do take buys now, gang, look, our buys are breaking the daily high again, right? So if we do move up and begin to break this high again and close on like a 1 hour, 30-minute time frame, then that's where you should see price move up in this area. So right now we're just choppy. This is where we're at right now, just chopping around.
Simple.
Oh, let's see. Yeah, GJ's actually not looking too bad here. It looks like we rejected the resistance there on the 15. close with no bottom wick though, which is really good. 30-minute did close above here as well. 4 hour is moving up, but it's struggling a bit. And a 1 hour has no bottom wick, so nothing solid there.
I also don't like how bearish we are on the daily.
Yeah, we're very bearish here. Even though we did close above, we're still, you know, candle still is moving down here, right? So we can't ignore that. Yeah, I think a 1 hour.
Trusted those higher time frames, right? Because those higher time frames are stronger than the lower time frames. So I'm sure you're looking at it.
Yeah. Yeah, Nas is setting up nicely for a potential big move here on the next 4 hour candle. Do we plan on recording the Bible studies? Yes. Now, will we actually do that? Hopefully.
Gotta set a reminder.
Trading in the Zone is written by gold. That might be true. It might be written about gold. Yeah, so a 1 hour closure here on pound yen would be much better. Much better. Plus another 4 hour bullish close. 30-minute celery. Yeah, I think that would be better. And gold rejecting 31 there.
Sir.
Nas move to the downside. Yeah. What do you say, 930 volume on gold be the same as NASDAQ? Yes. Yeah. Sheesh, if not even more aggressive.
Word.
So we didn't get to play mini golf yesterday,
Nope.
but we may run it today.
I'm down, bro. I want to.
We had to take care of some other stuff.
Yeah, I was literally just about to ask, like, bro, what's the wave today?
We got to bring my dad to the airport, so we got to drop him off. He's going back home, and then we might get a game in.
And then, sounds great. That was a great trip too.
We're actually preparing though for the real golf course with Mr. Austin Silver and James Bruce and the big dogs. So we gotta start somewhere, right? You can't be afraid to be humble. You know what I mean? You gotta start somewhere. So we're gonna start with mini golf and we'll work our way up to the pros.
Gotta be patient with yourself, for real. Allow yourself to develop, man. Allow yourself to grow. But yo, it was a great trip with him down here. The area we live in it's a great area. Like, there's a lot of stuff here. There's a lot to do here, so we were able to get like something to do every day.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we have a lot to do over here. For those of you guys looking for a new location, somewhere to move, somewhere nice all year round, we got some nice areas over here.
For real. Tell your girl and she just might go crazy. Just might stress you out about moving here.
All right, back up we go here on gold. Interesting.
When's John doing London? So you talk. I'll be back on Zoom next week, but I'm still figuring out my YouTube. So as soon as I figure out like what's good with my YouTube, I'll let you know, bro.
Marcus Aurelius? Yeah, I got this new book by Marcus Aurelius. It's called Meditations. You guys ever read it?
Bro, I haven't, but I want to.
I'm excited. I had a friend recommend this to me. He said it was one of the best books he ever read. You guys live in Miami? Nah, we live in Tampa. Oh, rejection. Okay.
In summer. Nah, yeah, it is hot in the summer, Sean. Usually in the dip from Florida. Try to go to like New York or somewhere like that, where it's less hot. Damn cold.
Where does your dad live so I can kidnap him and ask him for money? Just kidding. No, you're not. You're not kidding.
Brother.
I'd tell you, but I'd have to kill you. Oh, nice. Look at this. Popped.
Private info.
Sheesh. I'm not touching this right now.
Gold.
Golf's just like trading? Yeah, easy enough, but a lifetime to master. Yeah, it's true. What time do I usually read? Oh wow, look at this. Look at this move. We broke the highs there on the daily. Rebroke those highs. Sheesh.
Damn. Wow, I love gold. Make a big bag quick.
Yeah. Wow, yeah, see GJ?
We just
all the way down now. No bueno.
guess that was we had some yellow folders, so I guess that's what
Yeah, I guess so. 830 yellow folders. I think there was just one, right? Yeah, one or two. Yeah, Nas may be setting up too for a big move. Yeah, this candle's all over here on the 1 hour. Oh, nice, Jamal. Jamil? My bad. Jamil.
Yo, nice. Good stuff, Jamil.
Senor Nick. Hey. Senor Sergio Titi Bank Santos. How you doing?
What's up, Sergio?
What time do I usually read? I read I read in the morning and at night, and then any time in between that I can. Now it's not like I'm single anymore with no kids, so you got to do it when you can. So typically I'll read in the morning, and then I'll try and get some more reading in before bed, and then if there's any time during the day that I can read, I'll take advantage of it.
Bro, things change, bro, when you get kids.
Things change.
Yo, imagine, bro. Imagine like people spent like 300. Imagine people spent 18 hours a day, or like 14 to 18 hours a day, focusing on themselves, working on themselves or whatever they're trying to focus on, working on their business, their body, their mind. Imagine they spent 18 hours a day doing that, 365 days a year. Can you imagine what that person will look like at the end of the year?
You look like me. That's literally what I
crazy.
did for 7-8 years straight.
Well, that's my challenge to anyone who would like to accept my challenge. Anytime you have free time, right? Don't scroll on your phone. Go read the dictionary.
Yeah, definitely. Go do some push-ups on your phone.
Real though.
If anything, put your phone away in like a box or something. Just throw it in the closet and go upon your day. Yeah, that's what I love too. Like anything you can get freedom on. Like for me, I had an e-commerce business. I was running e-com pretty well at one point, trading, right? Things of this nature that allow you to basically buy back your time, right? Like if I wasn't live streaming, this live stream runs for like 3 hours, most days, sometimes 3 hours plus. So if I'm not live streaming, I have completely bought back all my time, right? If you guys work like a 8, 9, 10 hour job, once you get free, right? I'm not saying become a millionaire. I'm saying once you can actually replace your full-time income, you can now work on yourself full time, right? So when people ask me, do I trade full time? I'm just going to start saying, no, I work on myself full time, right? And I just trade here and there. And I trade and I read and I, play with my kid, blah, 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 right? So yeah, see if you can get the ball rolling. That way you can buy that time back and work on yourself, man, because that's when you'll succeed in all these other areas. Yeah,
100%.
driving here. No
Bro,
bottom
those
wick.
were the little things.
Little tings, yep. My job requires me to use my phone, so it's impossible to do that. That's what I'm saying. You got to make enough money to leave your job, right? Make enough money to leave your job so that way you can begin to work on the real job, which is you.
Yeah, you need to create or find a venture, right? And then I see so many people, I feel like their income is the same as their expenses. You're not going to get freedom like that. Or wiggle room to invest, right? You need to increase your income and maintain the expenses. And give yourself some more time to increase your income, right? If you're going to increase your expenses, give yourself more time to increase your income.
Yeah, most
We're
people
talking about freedom and wiggle room to invest.
Once the income goes up, their lifestyle expenses go up. That is a move of a brokey.
Exactly.
You don't want to do that.
You get $100,000 and then you spend $100,000 the next day.
Bad math.
Right? If you're going to increase your income, if you want freedom, you need to increase your income and maintain your expenses. And if you want to increase your expenses, you got to increase the income you just increased. Kind of a simple concept.
You really want to be a boss? The more money you make, spend less. Lower your lifestyle expenses. Not forever. For a year, 2, 3, right? Delay gratification, and then you'll look up and you'll have more money than you know what to do with. And more time, more freedom to do things that you want to do.
Yeah, 100%. And when you focus on, creating your venture, right? And then increasing your income, that's when you'll have wiggle room, right? Now you have wiggle room to now invest into other assets to increase your income again.
Yep. So keep in mind, as your income goes up, right? What most people like to do is, if the white line represents income and the red line represents expenses, most people like to ride it so tight, man. The problem with that is when, as an entrepreneur, you have these dips, right? You have these slow months, right, where price can go down. And if your expenses are up here, then that, my friend, is what you call bad math, right? That's how you make a bunch of money and then blow it all.
Unwise. 100%, bro. And the stuff I'm saying, like, on here is stuff I've heard from millionaires, billionaires, right? Who this was the knowledge they've given me, and I'm just trying to display it to my life, right? If you're someone who wants to hear it, right, you'll hear it. Not, just continue on.
Yeah. Let me answer this question. Can I know the reason why you avoid GJ 30-minute breakouts? Yes. I think we went over it already, but yeah, so basically 30-minute had a closure above. There was no bottom wick here. There was also a 15-minute resistance right here. And this candle, closed with no bottom wick, so that was fine, but we didn't want to just jump on that right away. There was a resistance and then no bottom wick there on the 30 and the 1 hour. So now you see that bottom wick being formed, and yeah, just a little experience too.
GJ, that was the first that was like the first range we were in. Either way, I mean, and we're bearish for the day, so you got the fake out there.
Yeah.
That's why we say wait for range 2.
Yeah. The Richest Man in Babylon. Yeah, that was a great book. Yeah, that talks all about like, who are you giving your money to, right? Y'all working hard for your money and just handing it over to Starbucks. Like, here you go, take my money. Like, come on, gang. Like, who are you giving your money to, right? Someone's taking all that money you're making. It's your job to figure out where it's going and how to keep it with you, right? And then how to multiply it.
Yeah, Literally.
Eat it.
Yeah, for real.
Goldie, Goldie. What we doing? 4-hour close coming up here on all these pairs, so
Big closure. A lot of more information coming in, y'all.
yeah, we need more info, right? We need we're asking a question now. Can we close above? The market will give us the answer to that question when? In 12 minutes. Right? So no answer for 12 minutes. NASDAQ looks good, running down. Will we close below? We will have that answer in 12 minutes, my friends.
This is why I love this strategy. This is why it fits with my personality, because my personality is simple. And this is simple. All I am doing is reading candles. It's the simple answer, right? When the candle closes, it's a simple yes or no, right? If I'm in a trade or not, or what I'm gonna do. Simple answer.
Yes, sir. Hey, good morning, Scott. How you doing, brother?
Hey, good morning, Scott.
Me and Scott were actually talking about that recently, about the whole money stuff and.
Oh, yeah. Man, that's an important concept. What we were just talking about.
Yeah, I hope you guys are listening in, man.
Because if you're unwise, if you don't know how to manage your money, you're gonna. If you get $100,000, you'll easily lose that, right? Instead of turning that into like $1 million or $2 million, you'll just get 100,000 and then lose it the next day. You don't know how to use it.
Yep. We'll be back after these messages. There you go. Good stuff, Scott.
Love it. Love it.
Hey, if you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're not subbed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Come vibe with us.
Sure. Yeah, Scott, I feel like that's the purpose of life, bro, to just grow. That's why we're here, bro. Just gotta grow. Learn from our mistakes.
What's the requirement on, or the minimum amount you required for trading Forex? $2. I'll be right back. 1 second.
Yeah, you can. Nothing's impossible, bro. You know, whoever said that, you know, something was impossible in your life, you gotta ask who said that, right? Because they just programmed you to think that. So find out who said that, right? But I think you could start with anything in trading, right? $10, $100. You could put $100 in and get a job and throw $100 in from your paycheck each week, you know, if you can, and just learn how to focus on the craft and trading. But when there's a will, there's a way, bro, and that's for real. If you just believe you could do something, right, the how to do it will start to develop, and that's all you need to do is believe you could do it. So you can now focus on how you can do it because you believe you can do it, right? And then in life, there's 3 things we can control. We can control time, we can control energy, and we can control our attention. So make sure, you know, that what you can control, you're doing it of good value. You're having good energy, right? Positive energy. You do good stuff with your time, and you got your attention on the right things. And then boom, there you go, Stephen. I could do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And that's the verse I try to live by, because if there's ever a time where I doubt myself, I just ask myself, where the hell in my timeline, in my life, did someone say I couldn't do that? and I find it, and I find out who said that and when they said that, and I changed my program, because when they said that, they programmed me to believe that. So I fixed my program. I reprogrammed myself to do what I wanted and to do what was right and true. And we talk about self-talk here a lot, and that's why self-talk is so important, because our mind is like a freaking programmer, programming you what to do, right? It's everything you do, your mind does it first. So yeah, it's important. Make sure you talk correctly. Don't call yourself dumb. You know, call yourself. Make sure you treat yourself like a gentleman, like you would anyone. So.
Yeah, because you're in a relationship with you.
Exactly.
What up, Bugs? How you doing? $2, $5. You want to start Forex? $5.
Yeah, believe as it's already done. Correct.
That's why I tried putting y'all on with the mantra, man. How many of you guys stuck with your mantra? Don't think I forgot. I ain't forget. I'm still reading my mantra, by the way, gang. How about you?
Yo, we need to start praying more, speaking less, and just doing. Just do. That's all we have to do, is just do.
All right. What do we got? 6 minutes here for everything. So looks like we're re-breaking the lows here on pound yen too.
Waiting for a candle closure.
Gold, man. Gold looking to potentially close above here. We might move north here.
Yeah, bro. I'm thinking so too.
We'll see.
4 hour looking juicy.
What's this? The market relies on a blend of retail and institutional influence. Does the rise of retail traders and virtual prop firms affect the long-term dynamics of the Forex? Oh, yeah. I don't know, man. That's a good question, to be honest. Yeah, because a lot of traders now with prop firms, they're not actually participating in the market itself. So, yeah, that's a good question. That's a real good question. I'm seriously getting better at this trading thing. Awesome. If I was the old Mustajab, probably would have gotten FOMO, jumped on stupid trades today, right now. Sitting there you go. There you go, man.
You see the difference?
There you go. Remember, we talked about it once where, you know, someone asked, what's the hardest part about trading? And the hardest part about trading is realizing that it's actually not that hard, right?
Yeah.
You can learn, you know, certain things on how to wait for the right setups. And then once you find the right setups to take, you get consistent with that, and then you learn how to manage positions like we're going to be doing a lot this year. It's really not that hard at all, right? Just got to be disciplined and you know, persistent in your pursuit of mastery, you know. But yeah, good stuff, man. Hold on 1 minute.
What's good, chat? What up, brother? Game of patience. Four more minutes till we get some more information. Let's get it. No, I don't think it's hard, right? Whatever, if you believe it's hard, but if you don't, then it's not. All it takes is patience. It's not hard to wait for A+ setups. It just takes patience. And that's something that a lot of people aren't willing to develop or do or display. I don't care. You show me any professional trader, and they got patience. Sandman, what's good, brother? It's good to see you. Hope you're doing great. Forex Frank, what's up, brother? Nice. Close 10 pips on GJ. Hey, good stuff, man. Way to bag your profit. What up, Alariza? If I'm saying that correctly. Oh wow, appreciate you. I'm doing absolutely amazing. How are you doing? Yeah, Landon. What's up, Landon? So yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna get the closure. It's just, are we gonna get the entry, right? So we'll see. We'll see if we can get an entry. What's good, bro? Yeah, I am. I'm figuring out some stuff with my YouTube, but I'll be on Zoom next week. So I'll let you know in Discord about Zoom, but then when I get my YouTube figured out, I'll let you guys know for sure. Yeah, Sandman, bro. I love to hear it. My account's almost blown. Hey, don't worry about that, bro. Focus on the next trade. Screw your account. Look at the next trade.
Screw that account.
That's the only thing you can do. Focus on the next best trade. Screw that account. Nah, straight up. I don't really look at my account like that. I just look at the next trade.
Happy New Year, brothers. Welcome back. Hey, welcome. Good to see you. What up, Sandman? How you doing, brother? How am I feeling? Blessed and highly favored, champ. How you feeling?
I already know.
Oh, nice. Gold, GJ, both looking good.
DJ looks pretty good.
Gold, we've got our range 2 here. So this is the breakout. So we'll see what happens. We need a bottom wick and all that good stuff. Same thing with pound yen. We need a top wick. So we got closures on both pairs here. So now we need to wait for top and bottom wicks. Yeah, Nas closed below too. So everything looks good. The one thing about Nas, we have this support here. I think if we don't get exactly what we're looking for, hopefully we can get like a celery play, right, for a 930 move here on Nas100. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on everything. We broke the lows there in the first couple seconds, so gonna wait for a top wick here and see if we can play ball. Nas looking good too. Yeah, everything's actually looking pretty good. We just need now we need some entries. Yeah, gold should be ready soon. Getting ready.
Yeah, keep in mind the new 4-hour just opened too, so.
Yep, brand new 4-hour candle here. Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy New Year to you too. All right. I don't have anything pending just yet. No. Yeah, I want to see at least a 5-minute candle close here. Right? We just opened up for a new 4-hour candle. And if you look at the 4-hour too, there's a little bit of a zone right here, right? That we have to be aware of. We closed right at it, so I do want to see a bottom wick here before anything.
Stops are pretty big too on the 30 on gold.
Yeah, and that, right? So we got monster stops. We gotta have to use current candle stops, so we don't want to rush this. Don't want to rush it. We're not
unless
Russian.
You're gonna hold your. Yeah.
We're American.
Unless you want to hold your full position until 45. I mean, stops aren't bad, but I don't do what you gotta do.
Yeah, I'm also willing to wait for a 15 celery or even a 30 celery here.
Yeah, word.
Yeah, we also did, again, keep in mind on the 4-hour, this zone right here. So that could be a problem. So I do want to, excuse me, I do want to see some sort of like 15-minute closure. Or even like a 5 bullish closure or something. Bottom wick for a mini retracement. Yeah. $15 celery, even 30 celery would be fantastic. And pound yen, we need same thing. We need a top wick, right? Because if we're gonna take a sell here, well, the only stop we have currently is 48 pips, or the 15 stop, which is up here, for about 24 pips. But I do want to see a top wick on this candle before anything. $5-minute isn't gambling. Nah, it's not that I'm gonna, excuse me, take the trade based off the 5. I just want to see how the 5 looks. Right, how it's closing, so that's all. Currently, if you're looking at the 5, you're closing below though, right? So if you look at the 5-minute time frame, you've got like this zone right here. So I think a closure back above could indicate, right, that price is ready to break the highs. To the moon. Yeah, nah, sometimes I look at it just to see how like a candle's gonna close, especially when we tiptoe around the new 4-hour open. Those are the times when I look at like the 15 and just see sometimes how a 5-minute candle closes, right? But this one's just driving down, so nothing just yet.
Yeah, when we say keep in mind the new 4-hour candle just open, we mean, you know, the 4-hour candle is typically bigger, right, than the 1-hour and 30-minute candles. So, right, there could be bigger wicks to be expected. So that's what we mean.
You should really look into tweaking your strategy. I've noticed you hesitate a lot and you would win so much more. Hesitation could be good in trading, right? You want to always make sure things line up perfectly. If you're not comfortable with a trade, there's no point in taking a trade, right? In terms of managing or tweaking to make so much more, yeah, we're on that, man. We're on it. But hesitation is good, right? You want to make sure the ideal setup that you're waiting on and looking for and have data on is there. You know, you don't want to just jump into trades. Yeah, you see how the 5's starting to create support? Let's see, Nas. Yeah, GJ ain't nothing here, man. I want to trade in this zone here, but we're gonna need a new closure here. We'll see what happens at 9:30. Gold may be setting up nicely too for a celery. Oh yeah, with smaller wicks. Yeah, it's just part of my plan. You know, I want to see the wick that I want to see, so it's okay. It's totally fine. I'm totally okay with missing out on moves. It doesn't bother me, right? You know, I don't need money today. But even if I did, I would still wait patiently. But yeah. Yeah, sometimes if there's an opportunity where the stops are good and you know, I could trust in that smaller bottom wick, then, you know, sometimes I'll go for it. But I want to see what I want to see, and that's it, you know. What do you think about the daily being bearish on gold right now? Yeah, we have our range too, so that's what I like. We wouldn't have taken these buys, right? But then we came down, created support. We even created a lower support. And then broke above, breaking all these highs again, right? So broke the 4-hour high there, closed above. So yeah, it's just now about waiting for a 15 closure, right? I didn't want to get activated here and then us pull back. That happened the last 2 or 3 times I think that we entered before 9:15. So yeah, the guitar is coming in late. Oh yeah, because we were late. It pays to wait. Yeah. Certain times I'll let it rip with very little bottom wick, but it's got to be high times of volume, right? So right now I know that more volume comes in at in 19 minutes. So that's what I want to wait for if things aren't, you know, perfectly lining up. Yeah, range 2 already happened. Yes. Yep.
Let's see what happens.
Guitar vibes. Yeah, right now the best setup or the best pair setting up looks like gold, so. Green summon. Yeah. Give me 1 sec, John.
Yeah, DJ just drove, no topic really. Yeah, don't get I mean, if you're trading like us, don't forget the goal. Don't forget the plan, right? Not focused on making money, we're focused on the best trade. It's easy to forget that too, right? Because this is what we are here to make money. But focusing on taking the best trade, you know, making money is a byproduct to that. So you'll just make money naturally by focus on the best trade. Yeah, of course. You have to think it's money as well because you need money. I know. But money's going to come naturally to you by following a plan, right? Following your system, not by chasing it. You don't want to chase it. You want it to come naturally to you.
What happens typically when you chase something?
You don't get it.
It usually
you can
runs
force
from you.
Yeah, exactly. You can force a trade, right? If you really want money, you can force a trade. But I don't want to lose my money, right? I want to maintain it. I want to maintain it. So I want to wait for the best trade where I can put my money on it now, where it will increase my money.
Money is energy. Money flows. You got to understand money. We like John was saying earlier, what is money? Right? It's just what someone told you money was. Well, who was that someone and what do they even know about money? Right?
Yep.
You got to question everything you've learned in life.
You want money, but do you even know what money is?
What did I learn? 2 questions. What did I learn and who taught it to me?
Exactly. Exactly.
Yo, this guy's going ham on that guitar. The reason I didn't enter yet? Yeah, I'm waiting for the 15 to close here. All right, here we go. So I think we got a 15 close, gang. So I'm going to have buy stops here on gold. 1 sec, 15. Going to be using the current candles there as the stop. And that'll be my position.
I'm going to be holding till like 45 too, Nick.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably go break even near that wick fill. Kind of near this support right here. And then, yeah, just let it run. Yeah, we'll see if we can get activated. That's the current 4-hour high. That's also the 1-hour high, 30-minute high, previous 15-minute high. So, yeah. We also have 9:30 coming in here in a few minutes as well, so. Money makes the world go round, and round and round and round it goes. All right, that's good. Yeah, the only way I'll switch this up is if the 15 actually closes below, right? Because then 930 should drive us down, right? If you get a 930, this 30-minute candle close below, then you should see a move down here. So we'll see how everything, but if we break the highs, then we should move up. They're calling for tornadoes here. Hey, yo, tornado.
Hey, yo, chill. Respect the lows,
It's
baby.
been pretty windy here too.
It has been. This morning, especially.
Oh.
Damn.
All right. We're breaking the 15 lows now. Yeah, we'll see if we break it and move up, then it should be good. If we continue pushing down here, then we're probably going to delete.
Would have been interested in GJ as well, but no entry.
Same.
Just drove.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to enter earlier on the break of the highs before, because that broke the high and then straight into drawdown, right? That would have, you know, that's one of those trades, right? Typically that'll happen at like 9 a.m.
Yeah, because what are we doing now? We looks like it may want to create a steeper bottom wick now in the 4 hour.
Yep. All right, yeah, we're gonna delete this TTD, and we will wait for 9:30, friends.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Mr. Market or Mrs. Market.
Thank you, experience.
Because remember, the one big thing for me too in terms of sells is the daily, right? Number one. And then the 4 hour close, number two, which is again below the range here, right? So yeah, those are two pieces that support a bearish bias, right? Everything else is pretty bullish, but those two things can, you know, ultimately stop price from moving up here. So but that's the reason why we did not want to enter pre 9:15, because I've seen this happen too many times, right? This would have been our entry here, right here, and then boom, we would have been tapped in for a pip or two, and that would have been it. So yeah. Sheesh, no top wick, no entry.
Discipline. Not only patient, but discipline. Yeah, look at GJ now.
Yeah, nasty. Nasty. But yeah, look, if we do get a 30 close back below, then we can anticipate the volume coming in at 9:30 to give us this fake out, and for the next candle to begin to drive down, you know, fill in the rest of the range here. So this will be break even, and then partials will be somewhere down here if we close below. Big if. And if basically 9:30 will lead us here, right? If we can close above, then I think we break the highs for a 9:30 celery. If we close below, then I think we have a 9:30 fake out / onion on our hands, right? So celery play, closure above, price can potentially break these highs and move up. Or you get a candle to close below, then you've got yourself a 30-minute fake out / onion, and then the next candles should be good to drive. Right, and that'll also push the daily candle down. Yeah, or another idea is you get a bullish closure, right? So we wait for 9:45. You get a bullish candle to close, and now you have a new support for price to run, right? So we'll see. Couple different scenarios that could happen here. Why not consider gold current scenario overextended breakout? I have a few problems overextended breakout. Can you? Yeah. So that support right there that we just talked about, that would give us a new support, which would be pretty lovely. But we'll see if that goes down.
Yeah, there's a difference between creating support and then an overextended support or an overextended like candle with supports 4 candles below that.
Yeah, technically you're buying off support, right? This is a 30-minute support that was formed right here.
Exactly.
Right, so technically this is buying off of a support.
Yeah. Agreed.
Scott. My man. Hello. One question. I'm new here. Do you guys trade candles? Depends on what you got in return. I'll trade a candle for something. Yeah, now we do trade candles. Yeah, we trade candles.
I love trading candles.
All pairs looking interesting for 9:30. Yes, anticipation for 9:30. Goldwick. Let's get it.
Ooh.
Can we get a 9:30 celery for the first trade of the year?
Honestly, bro, I'm feeling like we're gonna get it. That's like the energy I'm feeling right now.
Trade candles for some shmoney. Some shmoney.
Let's go. 5 minutes.
Onions, what we use for cooking. Well, we're cooking. Yo, what up, C4? How you doing, bro? Happy New Year to you.
C4.
Reminds me of the that's like pre-workout too, right? C4.
I
Oh
think
yeah.
so. I feel like it sounds familiar.
Broke the lows. It's not looking bad. Got laid off from my job yesterday. More time for myself. Hey, there you go. Good way to look at it.
Nice.
How's the entry of celery play? If we close above here, then you have a celery play, right? Because you're closing above resistance. Entry would be at the break of the highs there. If you do close below, though, then you know you may look to price may look to move down. So celery, some of the rules are pretty much it has to in a bullish situation, you want to see it close above the range. All right, you don't want to see this happening like right here, because then you're right at resistance. So we're above the resistance, therefore we're in this overall range right here, and this is all clean traffic. So
Sure. Big closure.
stretch it out, stretch it out.
Bigger push-ups.
Yeah, gold's looking the best. Celery, candle, bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. As long as it looks very similar to that, like a weak bullish, a weak bearish, but above the range, that's the main ingredient, is it's closing above that range there. I'm not doing much push-ups today. Come on, Stephen B. Push. Push, bro. Consistency. Yeah, I banged out a lot of push-ups earlier before the live stream.
Oh yeah. Same.
I crushed it yesterday. Yesterday don't count. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Hey, if you don't have a if you don't have a gym membership or you don't know how to work out in the gym, that's no excuse. Get down and do push-ups.
You know how to push up, lay down and push up. There you go.
You can invest in like a $30 pull-up bar, put it on your door. There you go. Now you have some pull workouts to do.
How you doing?
How you doing?
All right, 1 minute left. Let me go over this real quick. So basically, if we do close above, we got a celery play. We're going to enter positions on the break of the highs. Stops are going to be kept on the break of the lows. Most likely going to go break even right around this area, like right around that wick fill. And then look to secure profits up here like at 2046. So that's going to be the move. If we do come up and we don't get break even done, as we come back to entry, I will close 50% of my position. And if we do end up, you know, flipping bearish and coming back down, I'll probably just close the full position. So that's the plan, and we'll see what happens. And then if we do close below, then there's probably an opportunity to take a sell here, right? Especially with the few points that we talked about why price can move down. Then I'd have my stop sitting up here, right, about 29 pips, and look to go break even in this wick area around 30 pips, and then partials around like 40, 45 pips. Yo, they actually are all looking money.
Oh, all the pairs, right?
So 30 looks like it's gonna close below.
Leave us a bottom way.
30 on Nas looks really good. And let's check GJ real quick. Yeah, Nas looks pretty solid here. If we could respect the highs. We're breaking them. Let me see gold. Yeah, gold looks pretty solid here too to come down. Let me just check Nas. I think Nas looks okay. We did break the highs on Nas. So yeah, gold's gonna be the play here, chat. Let me do this. And entries on the break of the lows there. So if we could break the low, that'd be awesome. We did close back below, and you should run down to the support here. Yeah. Lovely.
Yep, topic. It's fine. Right out the volume.
Can we drive for 9:30? Let's see. Cool. So yeah, that's the move. So if we break those lows, we should get activated. And yeah, got a pretty nice trade ahead of us. Doo-doo-doom. This is my trade. If you don't like it, don't take it. I'm gonna take it. You just happen to be watching. So if you want to take it, take it. If not, don't bother with it. But yeah, I think I've been activated here, right? Yeah, so got into some sells here on gold. Stops are gonna be kept above the previous candle high. TP is gonna be down here towards these wicks, and yeah, this is what we got. So we're depending on volume now to drive us down. As we come into this range down here, that's most likely where I'll go break even, and that'll be the trade.
There. Nice.
Yeah. Activated. Nice, nice. Stops are above the previous candle high here. That's where my stops are right now. Yep. First trade of the year? Yeah, first trade of the year.
Yep. Do not care about the result of this trade. Focus on probabilities. Trade makes sense with my system.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna move stops to current candle high. So current candle high, taking risk off the table, and then let's see if we can get it to drive.
Especially breaking those previous lows. Agreed.
Yep, breaking the lows. And my broker gold has yet created a bottom wick. Wig. Wiggy, wiggy, wiggy.
Weird.
First trade of the year? Yes. Yep. Where's my stop? I just moved my stop. Everything's on the screen here, gang. Yeah.
Anything can happen. Train's about probabilities.
Is there... Yeah, we want to see price get going here though, right? 5 minutes in. Let's see how the 5-minute candle closed. We did close bearish there on the 5. So yeah, gonna move stops a little bit above that previous 5 now and see if we could break the lows.
Yeah, facts, Sandman.
Yeah, if we break that current 5, I'm gonna close half. Like, if we break the highs here, I'm gonna close half the position. All right, yeah, chat. Closing half right there to manage risk. We're breaking the high for the 3rd time there. So we're just going to close half, not going to close full. We should be driving, right? 930 should drive us down. So that's what we want to make sure we got, you know, managing risk properly. And yeah, I think everything's good now. So so stressed.
Hey, just breathe. Take a deep breath.
Yeah, because remember the 4 hour is still bullish, right? Come on, come on.
Come on, give us a bleeder.
Later, later. Got into the trade at 4%, only 1%. Nice. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm risking 0.5% at this point.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, the only reason I want to close half when we broke the high for the third time is because the 4 hour. Right? 4 hour can move up at any point.
Yeah, yo, and you'll have to develop this, right? As a trader, seeing your trade go up and down, it's totally normal. Totally normal. Don't let that stress you out.
Yep. I think we're approaching, yeah, a little bit further. Let me just... All right. So gonna move stops to the current 5 high and take our risk down to almost nothing here. Don't want to go BE just yet, but I'll move it to the 5. We shouldn't break that high. Yeah, we shouldn't break that high if we want to go down.
Maybe 945 can do something too.
Yeah. Check GJ. GJ's not doing much. Damn, NASDAQ ran up there. My initial entry? What do you mean?
Turn out the volume.
World Bank, Global Economic Stories. So we got a 15 close coming up here in just a few minutes.
Which means another opportunity to manage risk.
Yep, this should do it. If we flip here, we should be golden. I'm going to go break even on this trade. And yeah. Yeah, stops are at break even now, so see if we can run. Can we run?
Can we bleed here?
Can we run? Can we run? If it does drive the next 15, create a top wick, yeah, potentially. There may be a lot of volume though, right? There may be a lot of volume in the next 15. So if we continue moving down here, the next 15 might just run. Yeah, without creating much of a top wick.
Minutes for that.
Sat this one out. Oh, nice. No biggie. No biggie. Yeah, I would have liked to see a bit more volume here at 9:30, but we may get that volume here at 9:45. GJ 1 hour celery. 1 hour is still open. We got what? 15 minutes left? Yeah. Oh, I think gold tapped me at B here. Yeah, I hit B here on gold. So, okay, so gold hit B. Let's see the 15. So really want to see the 15 anyway close below the range, right? Because if you don't close below that range on the 15, then you may be stuck here. So let's see what happens on the 15. If you guys are still holding, you know, it's still okay, but I would have rather see that push. Right, a nice push there at 9:30, which we didn't really see.
Yeah, 15 closures your next opportunity to manage risk. Period itself.
Yep. Took profit at 10 pips. Nice, nice. Very nice. Yeah, this is how we keep our losses under 0.5%, right? Remember what we talked about yesterday? This is how we do it. So we kept our loss there pretty much under half. Well, we kind of like break even, right? Got some profit, nice. Yeah, and the reason for the aggressive management there is simply the 1 hour and the 4 hour being very bullish, right? Very, very bullish on the 1 hour and 4. So we want to keep that stuff in mind. And we're also in this zone here, right? So struggling in this zone. Oh yeah, NASDAQ looking good for potential move down. 1 hour looks pretty good. If you can close like just like this, then I think you'll see a drive there at 10 a.m. Yeah, 0.5% for me would be I think 2,000. Yeah, 2,000 bucks. So yeah, I think I lost like 700 or 800. Oh, let's see if this candle is gonna do it now. We kind of closed up doji on the 15 there, so this one can go either direction, right? We're back in this range here. You still in, John?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, John's still in. You guys, if you guys don't have to follow my stuff, I'm the guy that's on the screen, right? So you guys can manage it any way you like. That's just the way I'm doing it, and you just happen to be watching.
I just closed full with that 15 minutes stuff.
Oh, nice. So what'd you get, like 15?
Yeah. Let me
Nice.
measure it actually. Wasn't really looking.
Nice. Yeah, no top wick here either.
It was 19.
Nice. Yeah, because typically what's going to happen at 9:30, right? You're going to see price start to really rip. So had we been right about this at 9:30, we would have, you know, smacked like a 2 or a 3% profit, right? But if we're wrong and price is struggling, then we don't want to lose. If we're risking 2%, right, we want to chip that down. We want to lose less than that, so 1% or less than 1%, right? And that's what we did. Still holding, nice.
That was a little tricky there in terms of managing risk on that 15 closure because it closed up doji. So
Yeah. GJ dropping. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's not bad here on pound yen. You got a 4 pip. You got a 4 pip vantage point though. So not touching that. If you do get a closure below, I think on the 30, then you can drive down to fill that wick. So we'll see what happens on the 1 hour close. 1 hour / 30.
$15 coming. Looks like it might want to come back up.
Close full 14 pips. Nice, nice. W management? Yeah, that's the stuff that we're starting to implement, right? The risk management that we're starting to implement here. So we followed it to the T today.
Sure. And it's gonna be a game changer.
Yeah.
Compared to last year.
Oh yeah. Yeah, notice how we came into this area here, right? This was that break-even area where these wicks are, and we're kind of rejecting it as of right now. So that's the problem area, and we are rejecting it. So price can go either way here. I breathe air. No. And yo, price might drive here too. Right? But we got to follow our plan. Or I got to follow my plan.
Yeah, man. 100%. Remember, if you were someone who was stressed in that trade, you got to remember that tells me that you were expecting like to win that trade before it was even on, right? And it talks about this in the trader's book, Forex Mindset. It talks about expectation, right? Will create frustration, right? If you're expecting a win and then that trade doesn't win, you know, you're going to be frustrated. So don't expect to win. Understand that trading's all in probabilities, all about probabilities. And you're going to see your trade go into profit, into drawdown, profit, drawdown. That's part of the trading lifestyle. It's part of being a trader. So develop that skill and breathe air.
Breathe air. Breathe air.
Breathe air.
And drink water. Don't
Drink
forget
water
to breathe
and
air. Nice. Nice B water, my friend. Yeah, I didn't want to close partials there because I wanted to see a drive, right? I wanted to see a drive at 9:30, but that was the area in which we needed to manage and do something there, right? You don't want to just let it rock. You want to either close partials or go break even or both, because this is the area in which we can begin to reject. Yeah, I think I was risking 3% on that trade. Let me check. Yeah, I was. Yeah, I had this on 3. I was showing somebody something and yeah, messed that up, but it's all good. GJ. Nas sells. Yeah, it may be setting up here, man. We're moving. We obviously moved up bullish, but look at this rejection. Right, very nice rejection. You do have a support right here on the 30. Whoops, wrong thing. Right here. So we got to keep an eye on that. But if we do break these lows, you should drive down this will just kind of be like the area in which we can manage a position, right? Go break even or all that stuff. Was that 34 lots? I think that was 34 lots. Let's take a look. If you were gonna do anything different on that trade, what would it be? I think we planned it out. Yeah, we planned it the way we wanted it, so I don't think I really would have done much different. Yeah, we planned it out. We moved stops from the highs down to the current highs, and then when we were re-breaking the 5 lows, we decided right here, we decided to move stops down to there, and then once we tapped into the zone here, stops at break even, in which we planned, and then B got hit. So there's nothing I really would have done different there, I don't think. Made 1,400 on that. Oh, nice, dude. Congrats. 34 lots of the new normal now. Yeah. Yeah, this is the move we wanted to see like early in this candle.
Yeah, bro. Facts.
20% loss? What? Oh. Oh, here comes the drive. Yeah, remember 15 we talked about potentially having no top wick there. Everything's late today. The guitar was late. Word.
Hey, stop speaking French in the chat.
There are people from France. But this isn't a we game. This is a me game.
Yep.
Nas wants to bleed. We'll see. We'll see. That's true, Scott. Yeah, that's true. There's always tomorrow. And the next day. And the day after that. And the week after that. And the week after that. And the month after that. And the month after that. There's always another trade.
Oh, yeah, for real. Always your best bet to not force something, but to just come back the next day and naturally let it come to you again.
Yep, you never know when the last day is going to be. Are you ready? Yeah, unfortunately, we're in this nasty range here, man. Nasty range. This whole zone right here.
Like we said it before, we would have rather traded below that 31 level than that level that we were in.
Yeah,
But,
originally, yep.
yeah.
Still holding on to gold? Oh, nice. Sold GU. Please see it once. Let's take a look. GBP USD. Sold it? Nice. From where? Management was a little aggressive. Yeah, and the reason for that is because the 1 hour was very bullish and the 4 hour was very bullish. Yep. Yeah, if the 1 hour and 4 hour weren't so bullish, we wouldn't have managed it as aggressively as we did. Or, I don't know why I'm speaking French now. I wouldn't have managed it as aggressively as I did. But because of those reasons, I want to protect my capital at all costs. And yeah, so that's why I did what I did.
Yeah.
Quick fade. Skirt. Risk manager is a game changer this year. Yeah, remember we talked about it, gang. Right? Average loss last year was about 2%. Right? So if we can average that down to 0.5% with our 75% win rate, we're going to have a hell of a year, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my God. They're going to see, bro. It's about to be a crazy game changer.
Right? And if we're willing to hold, so again, notice how I was not willing to close partials there. I think we've seen 13 pips, where last year I'd be like, close partials, woohoo, W's in the chat, blah, 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 right? But this year I want to get the most out of my trades, right? So I want to hang on, because let's say our average loss last year was 2%, or win last year was 2%. So we were basically going on a 1-to-1, right? Where this year our average win could potentially be, right, 3 to 4%, right? So if we lose, every time we lose, it's 0.5, and every time we win, it's 3 to 4. The results are going to be incredible.
Yeah.
Right. Remember, we were profitable regardless with, you know, the way we were doing it, where we were risking 1-to-1 pretty much. But now, you know, things are going to change up a little bit, and we will be much more profitable this year, because I could totally see us 3 to 4xing our profitability in this new year. So yeah, that's, you know, that's what it's all about. Again, I'm speaking French, but I mean I.
Yeah. 1,000,000%, bro. And these are things you catch when you're locked in, bro. When you're coming to the charts every day, day in, day out, focus on yourself, you know, focus on your system, and you catch these things, you know, that you can progress with. Why it's so important that you fully lock it in, right? If you want to get really good in this, fully lock it in and fully try to master it, master yourself as a trader, so you can only progress like we're focused on doing.
Sheesh. Nas no bueno, by the way. We closed bullish back above on the 1 hour. Gold did close below again, but we are in this nasty area, so I don't think I'm gonna pull the trigger again in here. But if we do get below here, then yeah, I'll most likely look to you know, retry that sell. Yeah. The likes ain't adding up. Hey, if you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like here today. I'm probably gonna get going here pretty soon though. Yeah, I'll probably wait for a new closure, right? Back below 31 here. Yeah, trading this clean range here. GJ's not really showing much. I mean, we closed bullish, but we closed below the range. I think if you can get a resistance now, so GJ forms a bearish closure here, then I think there's a possibility for a price to now move down, right? You got a wick to fill down here as well, and that'll be pretty good. But as of right now, there's no buys, right? Because we closed below, and there's no sells because we don't have this bearish candle closure yet. So we just got to wait on pound yen.
Nick, I think we said yesterday we'll stop like by around 11:30.
What'd you say? Oh yeah, yeah. Pull up whenever. Yeah, yeah. Pull up whenever.
All right, bet.
Yeah, gold, I'm going to wait, gang. GJ, I'm going to wait. If we get a bearish close, there may be a possibility. Nas is not looking the greatest. It was setting up looking pretty good, but 1 hour is getting really choppy here. But gold and GJ may be an opportunity here in about an hour or so. Maybe even 30 minutes. But, yeah, I'm going to call it for today. We'll come back tomorrow. If I do take these trades, I'll obviously send them in the signals channel. So for those of you who are in the channel, keep an eye out. But everyone else, I kind of just told you the blueprint of what I'm looking for. So keep an eye out for that. I wouldn't mess around here. You may regret it later. Yeah, this zone right here is a bit nasty. Bit nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, good job today, chat. Way to manage our first trade. We got hit like... We closed 50%. I think I might have lost like 2 pips. 2 pips total on that, but basically a BE trade. So we'll come back tomorrow. We got a BE out of the way for our first trade, which is good. And we'll come back tomorrow and put a W on the board. What do you say?
Let's get it.
All right, let's do it. All right, chat. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great one. Be blessed today and be a blessing today if you can, which you can. And we'll come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Cool?
Peace, chat.
All right, Johnny boy. I'll see you a little bit later, all right?
See you later, Nick. Peace.
All right, y'all. Later, gang. Love y'all. Be blessed.
God is love, and I promise his love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace, yeah, but you won't find it in the drugs. Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, then freedom is found in the blood. Yeah, he did it for me and my family. Now I'm just trying to spread the love. God is love, and I promise his love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace, yeah, but you won't find it in the drugs. Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, then freedom is found in the blood. Yeah, he did it for me and my family. Now I'm just trying to spread the love. God is love. Look what he did for my family. Look how he saved my pops. Yeah, look how he saved my granny. Yeah, he really saved her. He saved my la-la. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Abba. My granny was stuck in addiction. She came to Christ and he really fixed it. My pops was locked in a prison. Now he with God. He walking the spirit. My little bro came out his lifestyle. Yeah, he walking with Christ now. Me and my family gon' live for God until his lights out. I remember them days with my best friend. He was suffering, popping them pills. I remember I kept on preaching to him and telling him Jesus is real. Then one day he gave his life to God. Boy, he felt them chills. Ever since then he been healed. Jesus saved my boy for real. God is love, and I promise his love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace, yeah, but you won't find it in the drugs. Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, then freedom is found in the blood. Yeah, he did it for me and my family. Now I'm just trying to spread the love. God is love, and I promise his love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace, yeah, but you won't find it in the drugs. Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, then freedom is found in the blood. Yeah, he did it for me and my family. Now I'm just trying to spread the love. I got his love, I got his love, I got his love. I had to run from my sin, cause sin is a dove. I got his love, I got his love, I got his love. And you'll see what I mean, just come to the king and put on them drugs. I don't gotta get high no more, I don't gotta get high. He gave me life abundantly, now I'm living life. This world is not my home, I'm just passing by. This world is not my home, yeah, I'm just passing by. I ain't never going back, I ain't switching sides. They say how you change like that, I got God inside. They say God ain't real, don't believe that lie. You live for God or this world, boy, go pick a side. God is love, he forgave me for all of my sins. Every time that I ever fell down, everything that I ever did. Now I'm falling in love with Jesus, now I'm falling in love with him. And I know I'ma make it to heaven, and I know that I'm gonna get in. God is love, and I promise his love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace, yeah, but you won't find it in the drugs. Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, then freedom is found in the blood. Yeah, he did it for me and my family. Now I'm just trying to spread the love. God is love, and I promise his love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace, yeah, but you won't find it in the drugs. Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, then freedom is found in the blood. Yeah, he did it for me and my family. Now I'm just trying to spread the love.